I received this for free. How's it going? I am very cheap. I don't want to hire a cameraman, so instead I would rather have a robot do all of the camera work for me, and this is a very good solution for me. This lightweight little tripod for your phone actually has auto face tracking. It will lock onto you and follow your motion as if there's someone holding the camera, and it is just really cool. It's pretty smooth. Let's see, how fast is it? Yeah, if you walk out of the room, it does kind of lose you a little bit, but I mean, this is not bad. This is not bad at all. Look at this. Yeah, it's fast. It's real fast. I love this. One thing to note is that this does only pan. It's not pan and tilt, it's only panning, which for me is completely fine, especially for the cost here. I think this is a very good deal. The actual holder itself is really cool. It does extend like this, so you can clamp your phone in, or you can just kind of shove your phone in between the little fingers and it will grip onto your phone just fine. You also have a little extension arm here so that you can really make sure that you're getting the right angle. So this doubles as both a little mini tripod for your phone and also a selfie stick, which is just awesome. It has a very nice, very long range. When you have just the head turned on, but not the actual face tracking turned on, it does do its best to sort of act as a little bit of a gimbal, and it will try to correct itself if you mess up the position. You can correct it with the little built-in remote right here. It's really cool. So this little remote right here, first of all, is removable. So if you're going to be away from the camera, you can just have this on you. It is just in the perfect position for your thumb when you're holding this. So you can start and stop recording with the remote when you are far away from your phone. That's really nice. It does try to sort of correct itself in whatever position you place it in. It is pretty effective at stabilizing shots. My phone's camera is awful and it is super jittery, very shaky. It has like no stabilization built into it. So this is a massive upgrade for my phone's footage. Now, for the face tracking, the way it works is very simple. It's based on motion controls. So there are two main controls. You do an OK sign, the light will turn green, and it will start tracking you like this. Pretty simple. That's all there is to it. And if you need to pause tracking, you just hold up a flat palm and it stops. The light will turn blue, and yeah, that's it. This does extend pretty tall. It gets just below about chest height on me. If you are a bit tall, you might need to have this placed up on a high surface like this in order to get it to eye level. I wish it was a little bit taller, but if that's the only complaint I have, I think this is pretty good. It also comes with a tiny video light, which is magnetic. That's very nice. If you happen to have a magnet ring on the back of your phone, you actually just stick it right on there, hold down the button, and look at that. You have a nice little mini video light anywhere you go that has a nice range of colors from warm to blue to white. So yeah, I mean, this is great. This is amazing. I have been using it a lot, and I think this is a very good value. I mean, this is going to be great for low budget creators who film using your phone, streamers, whatever. This is awesome. I love it. Definitely worth checking out.